Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook mouse cursor icon. For this, we will use a free tool called Mousecape. So search for Mousecape on Google, click on the first result, which is this website. Let's zoom on the mouse on the website name, mousescape.com. Click on download now. And here click on this zip file. Now, once it is downloaded, click on it to decompress it, and this is our software. So I will open it. If you get this message of Mousecape not opened, click on done. Then open the system settings. So click on this little Apple icon from this corner, select system settings. Scroll down to privacy and security, and scroll down here, and you will see Mousecape was blocked to protect your Mac. Click on open anyway. Open anyway again. Use your password or Touch ID, and the Mousecape will be opened. Now that the Mousecape is opened, make sure to select Mousecape. Click on File and select New Cape. Here, click on it using the right button of your mouse and click on Edit. Here, name give it a name. For example, new cursor. Make sure to select Retina to get a good quality. Click on this plus icon, and you will click on unknown here. And now let's make our mouse cursor. So for this, I will use ChatGPT. I will ask it, give me Retina quality multiple mouse cursor for my MacBook Air. For example, I am fan of for example of swords. Okay, I think this is good. Make it transparent. I shouldn't say make it transparent. I should say make the background transparent. Now that my transparent photo is ready, let's save it to my computer. Then I will use this website, which is a free alternative to Photoshop. So click on File, then hit Select New. Here for the cursor image that we will create, we will go with 30 for the width and 30 for the height. Click on Create. Here for the background, select Transparent and hit, I think it is better to go with 32-bit. Click on Create. Zoom in using the trackpad. And now I will paste the downloaded photo like this. My bad, I think I will delete this. First, I will open this image separately by placing it here. So then I will delete those, or I will copy one of the swords like this. Select the sword that you want to use, click on Command C, and here Command V to paste it. Now, as you see, it was the sword is bigger than the image, so I will click on Command Option and T to have those selection icons, and I will make it smaller. Place it back here, zoom in using the trackpad, and then I will try to fit it inside this 30 by 30 place it like this. So the edge of the sword is exactly at the edge of the template. Now hit enter. Now save this by clicking on file, export as PNG. Make sure to use 100% quality. Click on save. Now my new cursor image is saved using this name, new project 3. Now open or go back to the Mousecape software. In my case, it was closed. Okay, now click, okay, open this Mousecape software or application, click on File, New Cape, then click on here using the right button of your mouse, click on Edit, and here let's give it a name, for example, Sword Cursor, and let's go with retina and click on Unname it. As you see, now it is renamed. Click on this plus icon and select unknown. For the type, let's go with arrow. I'm not sure what this type field does, but here let's open Finder. Then I will look for the new project 3. This is my sword exported photo. I will drag and place it here inside this square. As you see, it was added here. And here, make sure, since my icon cursor is as this sword, I want the tip of the sword to be the clickable pixel. So if your cursor icon is different and you want to set it as the center, just play with this hotspot field. For example, let's go with one here and hit enter. No big difference. Let's go with, keep trying 10, 12, and same thing here, 12. And as you see, now the red dot is in the center of the sword. In my case, I want it to be the tip, so I will go with 0 here and 0 here. Now close this window, make sure to hit save, and click on this place using the right button and select apply. And just like this, your mouse cursor will change to the selected photo, to the selected icon. Now, if you're like me, you want to adjust this new mouse cursor icon, just go to click on this little apple icon, select system settings, then go to accessibility and look for display, and here scroll down to pointer, and you can use this pointer size slider to adjust your new mouse cursor icon size. As you see, now it is a little bit small, and here you can make it bigger. And if you want to return back to the original mouse cursor icon, simply click on the Mousecape application, select the cursor you've just created, and select remove. And just like this, you will return to the original, or the original mouse cursor icon. And this is how to change your MacBook mouse cursor pointer. Yes, pointer icon. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.